In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting Excel files into CSV file format using the RecoveryTools Excel to CSV Converter. To install our Excel to CSV Converter tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. The software provides two options to add Excel files. Add Excel files. Use this option to select and add individual Excel files. Add folder having Excel files. Use this option to add an entire folder containing Excel files. Select the option according to your requirement. Browse and choose the Excel files or folder, then click the Open button. If you need to re-add the files, click the Clear Files option to remove the selected files, and then add them again. To set the destination path, click on the three dots button and select the destination location where you want to save the converted file. Below, you will see the Create Single CSV for All Sheets option. You can check or uncheck this option according to your requirements. Finally, click the Convert button. The software will start the conversion process. After the process is completed, a pop-up message will appear confirming that the conversion process has been completed successfully. Click OK. The software will automatically navigate to the location where your converted file has been saved. And that's it. Thank you for watching.